Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable view full HDR in photos on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Photos. And in Photos, go down and tap on View Full HDR. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. Now set that automatically adjust the display to show the complete dynamic range of photos. So if you turn this on, and you can see here that in my Photos app, this particular video is HDR. So if I play on the video, then the screen will automatically change the color based on the HDR setting. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.